Welcome to Feature Friday for another week. Today I'd like to explore a rather well-hidden function that we've got in our menus. The first thing you have to do is to turn on your right-hand menu. So if it's not already on, go to Menu On, and then the function we need will be there when we need it. So let's look at the situation where we have just a regular roof, and our customer wants a box gutter all around there and a parapet wall with wall cladding on it. So how do we create the parapet wall easily? In the architect's plan, it's just indicated that this is a box gutter with parapet, but we want to quantify the materials. First thing we want to do is go to CAD Group and Offset Equals. So then it prompts for various details. We want the corners to be square, and we want the offset distance. Let's say it's the box gutter is a 250 wide box gutter. So the offset distance will be set to 250, and we hit OK, and now we select the lines that we want to offset from. Now there's two lines there. There'll be the wall line and the box gutter. So make sure we get the wall line, yes, and the wall line, yes. Wall line, yes. Wall line, Mr. Wall line, yes. And yes. And which side of the line? Out there somewhere. So there we have, we look at the isometric view. So there we have the offset line, offset from our box gutter by 250. And if we want to deal with these lines as walls, we've got to actually change the line type to be a wall line. So we come down here and go to Wall and select the four lines that we've just set to be parapets. And now they're wall lines, and just to make sure, we just verify our line categories. They are right. And then we go to Walls, Project Walls, and we want to project them up, let's say 1250. And we're going to locate the walls to project. So we project that one and that one, and that one and that one, and there's our parapet wall. So just a matter then of applying materials to that, and you'll get the cladding for that. You'll get the perhaps change the top of it to be a parapet cap, whatever else you need. But the critical function to allow us to get to this point is indeed the function called CAD Group Offset Equals, and then you follow your nose from there. Okay, well, that's it for Feature Friday for this week. Quick and dirty one. And have a great weekend, and we'll speak to you again soon. Bye for now.